Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been tracking this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where this green line here is coming from. But as things stand right now, the wheels are really coming off the bus. And I say, as things stand right now, because remember, crypto markets are open 24/7. So that's also why I like the 4-hour time frame. It'll allow me to talk about broad levels to keep the chart relevant all weekend long. So really, the thing that I want to convey is whenever you're watching this, whether it's an hour from now or let's just say Sunday, just ask yourself, well, where does the price stand relative to these areas that I'm going to talk about? And that'll kind of help give you an idea of the overall technical perspective on things. Before anything else, the first update that needs to be made comes about from a foundational rule in charting, and that states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 47 cents is going to be that key level of resistance over the weekend, meaning let's say you're watching this on Sunday and the price is all of a sudden back up above 47. Well, that would imply that the current price movement right now has not only leveled off, but the bulls have really come back in full strength. I highly doubt the price is going to be back above 47. But with cryptos, I suppose you never know. But that would be kind of that first kind of gauge in terms of, just measuring how strong or how weak the chart actually is. Again, if the price is up above 47, that would be a great sign. But the key things that are occurring due to the action right now, and I should quickly point that out, but over the past 4 hours, you can see a big old spike here in volume. And then as I talk right now, just a big old red candle. So, the bears as I talk right now are in, pushing down quite a bit. And, that's what makes this interesting, just how far down are they going to push. So that's where we want to talk about now some areas of support. Oh, wow, I didn't realize. Yes, I'm talking to myself right now. I didn't realize the price was actually getting that close to these lows from. All right. Well, then very clearly, the very important level of support for over the weekend is going to be down here at essentially 42.5 cents. And that is just based off of the fact that, you go back through the history of the chart, and that's as low as it's been able to go. And there's been some very nice bounces from it. So who knows? Maybe the price, this is actually has become much more interesting of a setup all of a sudden. Who knows? Maybe the price will come down here and history will repeat itself and get a nice bounce, from that level like it's done in the past. Now, don't get me wrong, there's no such thing as a guarantee, and I wish trading was that easy, and I wish I could say that because it's bounced in the past, it will for sure bounce again. So there are no for sure's, but would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? It would not. However, once again, if you're watching this on Sunday and the price is now well below 42.5 cents, that would be a sign that the bears are right back in full control and things are just not looking good at all from a technical perspective. So crazy movement right now. This weekend should be pretty interesting, so let's see how it all plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.